Hey friends! So yesterday we read about our bones and our muscles. Today I want to read about our brains and our hearts because it's important for us to know a little bit about how our body works in order for us to keep our bodies healthy and safe and happy and strong. So let's do your heart first today. Okay, let's do your heart. Okay. Now your heart doesn't, look like this, like you would think a heart, the shape a heart looks like. That's not what your real heart looks like. It actually looks more like this shape right here, like this little boy is showing us. You'll see in the book. Here's a better picture. That's more of what your real heart looks like. Definitely not like the shape a heart that we see all the time. All right, your heart. Here we go. What does your heart do? Let's find out. Your heart pumps blood. So your heart pumps blood through your whole body. The blood goes out from your heart. So your heart pumps your blood out all the way like down to your fingers, down to your toes. And then it also comes back to your heart again after. Your heart is a pump made of muscle. The blood goes to every part of your body. So your heart is pumping blood to your fingers, your toes, your knees, your head, everywhere. Then the blood flows back to your heart. So the blood is flowing through your body all the time, meaning it's going out to your fingers and back to your heart, out to your toes, back to your heart. Your heart beats all day. Kids' hearts beat faster than grown-up hearts. It beats faster when you play. So if you're starting to play a game and run around, your heart will start beating faster, like boom, 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 boom. Your heart beats slowly when you're resting. So if you're just sitting reading a book, your heart might just go bum, 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 bum. And your heart beats even more slowly when you're sleeping. So that's when your heart might just go bum, 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 bum. Each pump of your heart is called one heartbeat. You can feel your heartbeat. So if you put your hand on your chest and you move your hand around, you will feel your heartbeat. And if you can't, don't worry, your heart is still beating. But if you can't feel it, try to run around for a few minutes or do some jumping jacks and then feel your heart. Then you'll definitely be feeling it. Because remember, your heart will start beating faster when you exercise. Then you'll be able to feel it a little bit better. A doctor can hear your heartbeat. A doctor can listen to your heartbeat with a stethoscope. Okay, maybe you've been to a doctor and they've put the stethoscope in their ears and then use this piece to listen to your heart to see if it's beating the right way. You can hear your friend's heartbeat. I'm not sure how well that works if you use a toilet paper or a paper towel roll to hear your friend's heartbeat, but you might be able to. Your heart is so important. It's a very, very important part of your body. Your heartbeat is what keeps you alive and healthy and safe and strong. But another important part of your body is your brain. So let's read about your brain. Where is your brain? Right here, inside your head, right? All right, this is what your real brain looks like right there. I wonder if you knew what it looked like. What does your brain do? So here's an x-ray of inside a head. That's what your brain looks like in there. Your brain helps you learn. Your brain helps you read. So your brain is where all your thinking is done. All your smart thinking. Your brain makes your heart beat. So your brain is actually sort of like the boss of your body. Your brain tells your heart, hey heart, keep beating. Your brain helps you remember things. Your brain helps you move. So your brain, that bossy brain, also tells your bones and your muscles, hey bones, hey muscles, keep moving. Your brain helps you sleep. So your brain needs rest. That's why you need to sleep, because your brain needs rest. Your brain tells you when you're hungry. So when your tummy's empty, your tummy sends like a little signal to your brain, like, hey brain, tell this person they're hungry. Your brain tells you when you're thirsty. Same thing. You think to yourself, I'm thirsty. Your brain helps you speak. Your brain makes you breathe. So your brain reminds your lungs, hey, lungs, keep breathing. And your brain tells your mouth to move when there's certain things that you want to say. Your brain can make you feel sad. Your brain can make you feel happy. So your brain is also where all your feelings are. Your brain is at work during the day and at night. Your brain controls everything you do and everything you feel. Like I said, your brain's sort of like the boss of your body. It tells all your body parts what to do and how to feel. Your brain is so important. That's why if you go out, let's say, and you ride your bike, it's so important that you wear a helmet because you need to protect that special brain inside your head. Your brain is so important. Like I said, it's the boss of your whole body, so you better keep it safe in there. Luckily, you've got a skull bone right here that will keep it safe, but it's also good to wear a helmet and to not do anything dangerous that might hurt your brain. You need that brain in there. It's very important. Okay, friends, use that brain and do some thinking about all of our stories we read today. Okay, see you later.